The data you entered from the first video into Matrix A was some preliminary data taken in January. The Resistance is saving money and other necessary supplies for the journey to Indianapolis to retrieve vaccinations for the city's remaining live residents. In January, they took totals of the number of MREs, that's prepackaged meals ready to eat, that each family had rationed, and the total money savings of each family. For our purposes, we will focus on 3 random families as seen in this table. Again, this January table is the same table you entered for Matrix A already in the previous video, so you will not need to enter it again. Again, I want to stress taking good notes of the steps here for a later review. It is okay to hit the pause button whenever you need to write something down. So the Resistance families were encouraged to sell their rations to increase the money savings of the Resistance. Totals were taken each month for the number of MREs sold, found, purchased, etc., and the amount of money earned or spent in February and then again in March. You can see all the indicated tables here. We need to add these 3 matrices to find the current total of MREs each family has and their current money savings. Before we can use the calculator to add these matrices, we must enter the other 2 matrices into the matrix area. So follow your notes from the previous video and input the February table in for matrix B and the March table in for matrix C. You will start by hitting the second button and then the inverse button to go back to the initial matrix area. Please hit pause now while you take the time to enter these matrices. Push play when you have entered the February and March tables into the calculator and are ready to proceed. Now that we have the January matrix in for matrix A, February in for matrix B, and March in for matrix C, we are ready to add these 3 matrices. First, we must get back to the calculator's home screen by quitting. So hit the second button and the mode button to quit. We now have returned back to the home screen. We must now return back to the matrix area, but this time we'll stay in the names area and select matrix A by highlighting it and pressing enter. You can also choose the corresponding number to that matrix. Matrix A is number 1, so you can push the 1 button. You will now see this matrix in the home screen like this. Press the addition button and go back into the matrix names area and select B. Now your home screen looks like this. Hit the addition button again and return to the matrix names area to select C. And finally your home screen will look like this. Hit enter in the home screen and your calculator will calculate matrix A plus matrix B plus matrix C for you. Please write the answer your calculator gives you in the matrix provided on your guided notes handout for checking. You have now learned how to select matrices to add them together in your home screen.